So Dan, we're here in front of one of your GROB machines. Obviously we're partnering with hyperMILL, with Lang, but in terms of the cutting tools, we're talking about ISCAR today.
Yes, we are indeed, yeah.
So talk us through the demo.
So the demonstration was, the idea behind it wasn't a specific industry. It was to include a lot of common features. So it was deep hole drilling, deep pocketing, long edge finishing, indexable roughing. It was trying to encompass everything we can within the one demonstration.
Sure, and I know we haven't got time to go through all the individual tools, but maybe we can highlight some of them. I know the deep hole drilling's impressive.
Yeah, it is indeed. So we use the ISCAR Tri-D. It's the gun drill, so we've got a tool that's 365mm on gauge length. It's only 12mm diameter, so that's pretty impressive to see. We've got the HM90 indexable milling, and we've got a lot of solid carbide from the UOP range from ISCAR.
Sure, and when we look at some of the strategies, we might not pick it up on camera, but we've got concave, convex holes, so obviously we need barrel mills, or ball nose. In this case, it's a barrel mill. Yeah,
it's a barrel mill, yeah. It's basically it's an assembly which features the multi-master connection, so we're able to put just a small slugger carbide on a shank, and then basically use the 5-axis pass to generate concave, any 5-axis surfaces. So again, we include that in the demonstrations to show everything the machine can do and the tooling.
Sure, for people that haven't done barrel milling before, the savings are huge, aren't they, against a ball nose?
Yeah, they're pretty crazy, to be honest. You know, you consider the contact area on a ball nose, where if you've got a barrel mill with a 250mm radius, you can go from 1/2 mil step down to 4 mil, you know, and achieve very similar very similar finishes.
Sure, and some of the hyperMILL strategies equally as impressive. I know we've got trachoidal milling, some of the helical drilling cycles as well.
Yeah, so we do a 5-axis helical drilling cycle. I mean, of course, it looks great on the machine. You know, the machine dancing around. It's really quick to open up a pocket. We also make use of the hyperMILL cam plan with the 5-axis deburring. I know you saw some of the deburring pass at the end. They get really close with the assembly, but using virtual machine, you kind of eliminate a lot of the risk.
Sure, and this machine, the process, I guess, it's attracted a lot of attention this week.
It has indeed, yeah. I mean, any demonstration we do on the GROB machine, anything aluminium especially, you know, I'll do everything I can upside down. It's kind of, you know, it's a great selling point of the GROB. You can machine it upside down, high volume aluminium. It's all falling away into the swarf conveyor. You don't end up opening the door to a massive swarf.
Sure, and obviously, as impressive as your machines are, in this case, it's about partnerships. World-class machine tools in GROB's case, obviously working with some of these partners as well.
Yeah, it just works great, yeah.
So when we look about the deep hole drilling, that's obviously utilised in the tunnel.
Yeah, it is. So we have, as you've seen, we've got a 5mm diameter drill. It's a 50 times D slugger carbide, so it's a real impressive assembly. So, and I think about the GROB, obviously, is we've got the tunnel system. So when that tool changes into the tunnel, it's completely out of the work area. So it's a huge benefit.
And some of the other strategies you're utilising the machine for?
So again, the idea was the indexable roughing. We wanted to show that we can use large depths of cut, full engagement on these indexable face mills that normally throttle machines, and you know, we direct people towards a spindle load, and you can see that, you know, the HSK spindle that we've got on the GROB at the 16,000 RPM, it just handles it with a breeze. We also use a P290, which is a long indexable cutter with many inserts. Normally, you'd have an extremely high load. Being a serrated insert as well, it helps alleviate the load issues, but it also shows off the strength of the GROB machine.